Hello everybody, good evening. Carla Abellana po. Gusto niyo mag-host na ako? On behalf of the entire cast Shake, Rattle, and Roll Evil Origins, sa lahat po actually na bumuo ng aming pelikula, on behalf of the director, sa buong Regal team, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for being here tonight. Sana po ma-enjoy ninyo yung inyong panonoorin as much as we enjoyed filming it po. And sana invite niyo po yung inyong mga friends, family, loved ones na manood dahil next week na po, showing na po. Simula December 25. Panoorin niyo po at unahin. Unahin niyo po ang Shake, Rattle, and Roll Evil Origins. Thank you everyone!